In this video, I'll be walking you through how to set up templates in Gmail. It's one of my favorite tools to use to save you time when drafting emails. Setting up templates in Gmail is a great way to automate in information you write out often. It's great for project managers or really anyone, as this tool is just a quick way to copy in text or quickly paste text that you write often in an email. So the example that I'm going to use today is for a calendar invite. So I use Calendly. I say the same thing when I'm sending out the link if I want to book an email or book a meeting with somebody, so we don't have to go back and forth. So I've written up the text ahead of time. I've just opened this up in a new email, written out the text that I want in this template. And now to create the template, I just use those three dots on the very bottom. The email, I go up to templates, click Save Draft as Template, and now click on Save as a new template. You can write in whatever text you want to use here. I'm just going to put Calendly tidbits, hit Save, and now I've created a new template. It's as simple as that. Now to use the template, I'm going to open up a new email so you can see how that works. You just type in the information you want before the copied text or the template. Then you go down, use that same more options in the bottom right hand corner, click on templates, and now you have the new template you created. So I hope that helps. That's creating templates in Gmail. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe.